In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Microsoft Loop. Whether you're looking to access it through your browser or prefer to use the app, I'll guide you through these simple steps to get connected and start collaborating immediately. Let's dive in and make sure you have everything set up perfectly. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Loop website, which is loop.microsoft.com. This site is your starting point and central hub for everything you need from Microsoft Loop. Once you've arrived, you'll be greeted by a clean interface that sets the tone for the collaborative work you'll be doing. The next step is signing in. Here, you'll need to use your Microsoft account, whether it's your personal account or one provided by your work or school. This step is crucial because signing in gives you access to all the Loop features tailored to your account and manages your workspace and documents securely. If you don't have a Microsoft account, taking a moment to set one up will be beneficial, so you don't miss out on these collaborative features. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your Loop workspace. This workspace is where the magic happens. It's designed to be a dynamic and flexible space for collaboration, allowing you and your team to create, share, and innovate seamlessly. Explore this area to get comfortable with the tools at your disposal. You'll find various options to manage your projects efficiently, and navigating through it should become intuitive with a little practice. Now, if you prefer to access Microsoft Loop through an app on your device, there's an alternative path you can take. Open the Windows Store app, which should be readily available on most Windows devices. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Loop. This will bring up the official Loop app, among other related services. Once you've located the Microsoft Loop app in the search results, go ahead and download and install it. This won't take long, and having the app gives you quick access from your desktop, allowing for a smoother user experience without needing to open your browser each time. After installing the app, open it and sign in with your Microsoft account, just as you did earlier on the website. You'll find the same functions and features available to you in the app version, providing consistency whether you're working from the web or your device. And there you have it. You are now equipped to access Microsoft Loop from both your browser and as a standalone app. This flexibility ensures that you can stay connected and collaborative no matter your preference or where you are working from. Enjoy exploring the potential of Microsoft Loop and start creating and collaborating with ease.